Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to be checking out this motorcycle cup holder. So I actually used to have something similar on my quad. It was a Kodiak 700. It was super nice because you could hold pretty big drinks as well as bottled drinks and just things like that when you're on the trail. So I hopped on eBay and I ordered this. It showed up in about a few days, so let's check it out. So looking at the box, as you can see, it shows a superbike, motorcycle, UTV, ATV, a yacht. Really, they claim it's compatible with anything. Alright, so we've got a screwdriver and some hardware and an Allen key. Here we've got the cup holder. And this here looks like some sort of handlebar mount. So the instructions state first to screw the cup holder to the mount. So as you can see, there's this little plus sign shape. There's a plus sign shape here. So let's go ahead and thread that into place. It looks like also you could mount it 90 degrees if you're on some other machine, like a side-by-side, and you could put it on the side rail and then mount the cup holder like that. As you can see, I've got that threaded down to another 90 degrees, and that's pretty tight. Let's go throw it on the bike. And of course, I don't know how to follow instructions, and they're saying that this part actually goes towards the bottom of the device, whereas this screw goes towards the top. Alright guys, so I'm actually pretty bummed. There really wasn't a lot of places to mount it. As you can see, I also have a quad lock, so ideally it would have been better right there. Maybe I can scoot the quad lock over just like an inch and then fit this right there, or maybe move the quad lock to the other side. It's just the reservoir then gets in the way. This, I had also clipped it to the mirrors, but it just seemed a little flimsy, but I might put it back on the mirror. And for now, I just have it clipped to this handlebar, but this might protrude when I'm like cornering or just having like a large drink in the way. So I went for a quick ride and it actually was kind of in the way. And also when I went to turn left, this bottomed out and kind of scratched my tank. So I didn't really think that one through. The only other places I could try is maybe the mirror, or worst case scenario, throw it back here, but then, you know, I'm awkwardly reaching back to grab my drink at a stoplight. Alright guys, so we're really not winning here. I tried to put it here, but when you turn the bike, the cup holder would smash into the clutch lever. So you can kind of put it on like this, but it's pretty flimsy. So I bet you at 70, I bet your stuff is going to fly out there. So we do have this option of mounting it here, or maybe a little bit inward if we can. But it wouldn't really fit around there. I don't want to scratch up the surface. And so I think I'm actually just going to stick it right here. I know it's silly, but it is nice because every once in a while you go to the gas station, you don't have a backpack or like a jacket on. And so you want to buy like a big drink, but you totally just space it on the cup holder. And you can do the bag method, but sometimes the bag just rips and you drop your drink. So I think I'm actually just going to mount it right here. All right, so there you have it. I actually mounted it right here. It's pretty solid, pretty sturdy. Ideally, it might keep your drink cool if it is a colder day and you're riding. The only thing I don't love about this spot is this actually is probably the point of the bike that sticks out the farthest now. It's only by about ½ an inch compared to the handlebars, but this is now the part that sticks out furthest, so in lane filtering, I'll just need to be aware of that. Like I said, I might just take it off because I'm a little disappointed that there's not a lot of room in the cockpit to mount it. Alright, so we've got a medium drink from McDonald's. Let's go ahead and thread this in here. And let's see if it survives. I can still see it in my mirror. It looks like it's still there. Still there. There's a cop in front of me. Just taking a slow ride. Alright, survived. That's awesome. This is just a medium. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more.